Hello everybody, I'm here with the empties video. So let me start. So the first product I have is Snuggle Super Care. Is the In-Wash Scent Booster. So I buy this kind of often. It smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. It's really good. I have not been to Dollar Tree yet to look for those scent beads that they have that everybody said they brought back. I cannot wait to get those because it's a money saver. So let me finish. Let me get to the next item. I have the Beauty 360 Gold Bar Soap. And this is like Dow soap, you know, the gold one. This is just like it. I got this from CVS. The next item, I think you done seen in almost every haul because I buy it all the time. So I'm not going to dwell on it. It's the Dove Cool Moisture, and it's the cucumber and green tea scent. Another oldie but goodie that I always have is the AIM toothpaste. I have some wipes, and this is from Parents' Choice. It's an off-brand. It looks real raggedy, but yeah, it's an off-brand. It's really good. Another item that you see almost all the time is the Nivea Men's Sensitive Body Wash with bamboo extract. If you haven't tried this, y'all, please pick some up. It's not just for men. They say it's for men, but it's not just for men because it really works well for me. And every time I see it, I buy one or two of them. That's a real good body wash. I have the Salon Selectives Conditioner. I brought this maybe 2 years ago. And it was okay. I think it was something about the smell. Let me see. Yeah, it has a real cheap smell, but still a good product. I got this from Dollar Tree some years ago. The Soft Soap Gently Lavender Liquid Hand Soap Refill. I got so many of these, y'all. Like I still have a good amount left. I really stocked up. It's a good buy because it's a nice big bottle. It's a hand wash, but I use it for other things too. I have the Palmolive. I have the Ultra Palmolive Pure and Clear Fragrance Free Dish Detergent. This is excellent. It does irritate my skin still a little bit, but it's still better than those other dish detergents. I don't see it that much in stores. I think I get it from Walmart, but other than that, it's kind of hard to find, especially in this size bottle. But this is really good. Here's another AIM toothpaste, and that was $1.49. This is basically this and Pepsodent. I buy a whole lot and I stock up on it when I see it. So I told y'all last time that I brought a box of toilet tissue. I brought a whole box from Dollar Tree. They had a special with the shipping. I think it was $4.99, and their shipping is usually high. So I got this. So you're going to still see a lot of this. I got more of it here. And this Scott Comfort Plus. I like this. I usually don't like those little toilet tissue rolls, but I like this one. Okay, 3. So still, you're going to see a whole lot of that because I stocked up so I don't have to be running out to get my essentials, you know, the household essentials a lot. Here's another one I buy quite often. And this is Expressive Scent Tea Lights Candles Unscented 50-pack. I got this from CVS. I also get some from my local area dollar stores, and they last a long time. This was $7. When I get it locally, it's like $3.99, but sometimes I just don't feel like going out. So that's good. Those candle tea lights are good. Here I have Wish Ultra Antibacterial Liquid Hand Soap. So I did a review of this. I was washing my thrifted clothes. This stuff is excellent. I don't see the price on it, but it was $1.49 for this big thing at my local dollar store. I will be picking some more up. It has a nice smell to it too. It's like a spicy, I would say cinnamon, but with something else mixed in. That's not what they're calling it, but that's what it smells like to me. I have the Dawn Ultra Platinum Power Wash Free and Clear dish spray. I love this stuff, y'all. It is so good. It works exactly the way they say. You spray it on your dishes, pots, and pans, and then the grease and everything comes off pretty fast. I love this for my pots and pans. Or sometimes you get a little lazy, and I usually soak my dishes before I wash them, which works. But this here, you don't have to soak. I just love this. So I'm going to be getting some more of this. My last item was a bit disappointing. I told y'all about this, what I felt about it, and that's the Downy Rinse and Refresh. Helps remove odor residue from fresh, soft fabrics. This is in a cool cotton. This stuff is expensive, y'all. I don't really care for it because it's not as strong as you would think. The smell is good, but I think you get a better smell with the scent beads or regular fabric softener. I think those are a better buy, and I don't know if I'm going to buy this anymore because it didn't do it for me. It's a pretty smell, but And then a lot of people are complaining about the design of this bottle. The design of this bottle is made where you will pour too much of this, and that's wasteful. So I don't have no time or money to be wasting. You know. So thank you so much for watching. There will be more videos coming. And I will talk to you later. Please comment, share, subscribe, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye, everyone.